In this video, we're going to take a look at how to convert your personal PayPal account to a PayPal business account. We're going to do this using the desktop site on our computer, as it's easier to navigate the site. First, make sure that you're logged into your account and that you're on the home screen here. From the dashboard, select the settings gear here on the top right of the page. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, go ahead and send your code and then log in. You'll then be taken to the account overview. Scroll down to the bottom of the page under your profile section, and you'll see an upgrade option. Choose upgrade to a business account. Our screens may look a little bit different, but the upgrade option will be right here. On the next screen, you'll have two different options that you can move forward with. The first is to set up a new business account using a new different email address. This will keep your current PayPal account personal, but then it'll create a business account with your info. We'll look at this option first. Choose that and then hit next. On the next page, just enter your legal first and last name and then the new business email address that you want to use. And then after that, create a strong password. Choose agree and create account at the bottom. After that, you'll then be asked a few basic questions about your new business, like the business name, type, address, income, and then bank info. Just answer those questions and then you'll be set up with your new business account that you can start using right away. Now we'll head back to the screen where we had the two different options. The other option you have when setting up a business account is by using your current email address and then converting it. A couple of things though, when you do it this way, it's going to close your personal account completely when you switch, but move your balance and your info over to the new business account. You will still be able to see your past PayPal activity though when it was a personal account. Choose that option and then hit next. On the next screen, just answer the business info again here like we did before, like business name, the address, what type of business it is, and then agree to the terms at the bottom. When you're ready, hit agree and upgrade account. Your PayPal account will then be switched over to a business account where you can start taking payments as a business and access other PayPal business features. And that's a quick overview on how to convert your PayPal personal account to a business account.